So briefly, and to recap, in this video where I talk you through my 6-month progress on my mini braids, I encourage you to try mini braids because it shows off the length of your hair. It can increase the thickness. You're able to wash your mini braids and style them in other styles, and you're able to show off length. So mini braids is a great way of growing your type 4 natural hair. It will take a lot of time to install, and in my next video I go into reasons why mini braids are probably not for you. I know a lot of naturals that will not make their hair this small, and so in the next video I go through the cons. It will be sort of like the same comparison type video, but the information and content will be different. So then again, looking at these side by sides, you can really see the progress that my hair has made over the last 6 months. Now I'm glad I made these videos when my hair wasn't doing very well, so that now when it's doing well, it's a motivation to know 6 months later exactly what my hair will look like. I'll be able to see that progress over time. I just want to say thank you so much for watching my channel, for checking out my content. I do hope you've gained some benefit from today's video. Do go ahead and check out my How to Grow Your Natural Hair in 2022 playlist and all my other playlists for growing your natural hair. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Have a blessed day.